It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. I've got a treat for you guys tonight. I'm so excited. A company called Halárosis has sent me some products. It's a Greek origin name. Check it out. It's Halárosis, and it means relaxation or to take it easy in Greek. Oh my gosh, what a spa event. You can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I will put the information below. And this is a really neat company, I'll have to say. So my PR package arrived like this. I was really super impressed just with the process of opening the box. It felt like a spa product to open the box. And they sent me 3 products. I am currently burning the Cocoa Mango candle. This is the single wick, oops, right here. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But first, I want to talk about some of the facts about this company. So they are a small women-owned business. Candles are made with natural and sustainable soy wax. They're made with ingredients that are safe to use in your home, long-lasting, vegan, cruelty-free, made with non-toxic fragrance, pleasant room-filling fragrance. And let's see here. I love that they give you all of this information. I thought that was really neat. Check this out. This is so cute, actually. They printed me out this sheet. Look, Dear Bonnie, we are excited for you to receive this PR box. And what was interesting is I actually took a quiz to find out which product they wanted to give me in the room spray. This is a pumpkin air and fabric freshener. I gotta show you guys this. This is actually really cool. So, no surprise. Guess what I got? I got the toasted spiced pumpkin. It is pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and cardamom. So you need to shake this before you use it. There's a top on here, and then they gave me a pump to use here. So I'm going to put this in. Oops. I gotta say, oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so amazing. Let me see. I haven't tried the pump yet. So I'm going to just give it a little spray. Oh, it works really well. Oh my gosh, you guys, the scent of this is like amazing. It's like a room freshener, like full on beautiful, fresh pumpkin spice. It's toxin free, phthalate free, paraben free, cruelty free, and vegan. And let me tell you, like, it is so like refreshing, this pumpkin. Like, I feel like this is not, there's no chemical odor in here. It's fresh, it's beautiful. So I gotta say, I really love this product. This one is wonderful. They also sent me a strawberry ice cream candle from their Zen collection. I haven't burned this one yet. It comes with a lid, but like full on strawberry ice cream. This one is strawberry, sugar, cream, vanilla, and citrus peel. 55-hour burn time, made in the USA. And you can see it is a 3-wick. I can't stop smelling this, honestly. Like, this one just smells so good. And you get a lid. So how cute is that? The strawberry ice cream. I am currently burning the Cocoa Mango. This one is $18.99. And honestly, it just smells delicious. It is mango, coconut milk, peach, orange, and pineapple. It smells just like a tropical delight. I'm getting the mango, I'm getting the pineapple, the orange, I'm getting all of those fruits mixed in. So super excited that Halárosis sent me this. And if you wish to share with your followers, they've created an exclusive coupon code. So I'm going to put the code below. It is QOTGG15. I'm actually going to put that below so that you can use the code for 15% off if you would like to try their product. So, oh my gosh, thank you so much for sending me this PR box. I'm absolutely delighted. They have another sheet in here that they sent me about their products, the ingredients, which it's always neat to get the ingredient list. A little bit about environmentally friendly products. And the candles, again, they just have a really neat literature. I think it's great when companies send a lot of information about their products. So anyway, check them out. I'll put the website below and the code. Thank you so much. And I am so delighted over this pumpkin spiced spray. I'm gonna start. It's toasted spiced pumpkin. I'm calling it pumpkin spice. It's toasted spiced pumpkin. I'm gonna start using this now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Halárosis. Bye bye.